Hi there, everyone. This is Coach Celia Jacob from Business Brews and Beyond, House of Freedom and Freedom Talks Global. Ayun, I arrived last week from a three-country stint for Freedom Talks activation. That's in Bali. I was there for several weeks. Then Malaysia and then Singapore. And then now I'm back. Naku, pagbalik ko, sobrang daming ganap. And yun nga, I was part of a rally in EDSA, pero more on nagpray kami ng family na syempre to be counted and syempre sana the prayer would be, alam mo yung strength in numbers talaga tayong mga gusto natin na mas mapayapa, 'di ba? Ang pag-solve ng mga bagay-bagay. So, napakadami na nangyayari. I was in Bali nung nangyari yung sa Nepal and one of our speakers is in Nepal. Talagang kinikwento niya what's happening malapit sa hotel niya. So, yun nga, parang feeling ko lang na parang malapit na 'to sa atin, hindi na 'to something na parang, malayo sa bituka yan, that's nothing to be worried about. So yun nga, taking a stand and, hopefully mag-count yung mga mga voices natin and that's the very reason why we're always promoting, the power of speaking, leading, and connecting. This is what's going to happen in November 22 here in the Philippines, Bali, Singapore, Malaysia, yun yung mga gusto kasi nating mangyari na parang we have the chance or the stage to amplify our stories, yung mga gusto nating i-share sa mga tao to inspire them kung paano tayo makakatulong in their community. So yun nga, I'm inviting everyone to be part of this community, Freedom Talks Global. It has been here for less than a decade na rin halos So, nakakatuwa naman that we've been here with people na talagang trying to, you know, rise above all the challenges, trying to find out what's freedom for them, 'di ba? Freedom to dream, freedom from the past, freedom to future-proof yourself, 'di ba? So, yun, napakadami nating freedom to share, a story to share. So, yeah, let's put it in a platform and be part of our community. Tapos, yun, I'll be having several activations and siguro some of the updates is syempre nakikita niyo naman ako na I'm part of the Philippine Entrepreneurs Network. Please join our CEO and Investors Night every month. May mga activations kami dyan. Tapos we will be having Freedom Circles wherein we talk about, yung mga personal na gusto nating i-share in a safe space so we can help one another. That's a Freedom Circle that will be happening in Asbury and several co-working and cafes around the Philippines. And then we also have, Freedom Talks Global, which we will be going around different countries, meeting different people, learning about different cultures, ayan, para mas maintindihan natin why some cultures are like this and how we can coexist with one another. So, yan. So, sobrang dami na upcoming. And also, another update is we've partnered with Amplified PH with Mr. George Ampolocchio, who's a very, very well-respected na talent manager for celebrities and influencers, content creators, and he will be helping us elevate our brand. So, kung halimbawa, your coach or a speaker or an influencer who would want some, structure on your setup on how you are setting your career, ayan, we have Mr. Jojo Ampoloca to support us with our path to our speaking career or coaching career. So, yun. I think that's it. Just to catch up lang, on a winning Wednesday, I was watching the news, tapos sabi ko parang puro news, news, news about yung mga things na parang revelations upon revelations. Minsan nga nakakapagod ng pakinggan kasi parang, ba't ganito? Ba't ngayon lang natin na-realize to? But then again, it's good that people are speaking up, people are doing several revelations para ma-put together yung puzzle kung bakit nagkakaroon ng ganitong mga, sabihin na natin, yung mga delubyo, trahedya, or whatever sa ating bansa na parang halos lumubog na tayo sa baha. And hindi na natin alam kung bakit bigla na lang naglalaglagan yung mga kung anong-anong mga kumaga parang control for our community na hindi tayo pasukan ng tubig and all these things. So at least ngayon, kasi yung natural calamity talagang normal yan. Dumadaan yan taon-taon, yung pag-ulan, pagbagyo. Pero it took that force of nature para i-shake tayo, 'di ba? Kasi alam naman natin may mga nangyayari hindi okay, pero talagang sabi na siguro, no, para magising tayong lahat, sige, para lahat tayo apekto, subukan nating ilagay ito sa kalye. So, yan. So, nagising ang karamihan, at gusto na rin na sumuporta sa alam mo yun, maging part. Gusto naman nila, pero siguro yung voice mas nagka-count now kasi mas malapit sa puso, sa araw-araw na buhay. Yung nangyayaring discomfort, 'di ba? Yung bahay mo, ilang linggo na, ilang buwan na, mataas pa rin yung tubig sa streets. Tapos, sobrang dami na nangyayari because of siguro yun nga, yung parang sabihin na natin na we're also to ano to be hindi naman blame pero parang minsan kasi isipin natin dapat kasi we're focusing on yung leaders talaga na alam natin para sa atin. Hindi para sa atin lang kung kailangan tayo. Makikita naman natin yan eh. Kung yung mga plano, plataforma nila or whatever is really connected sa ordinaryong katulad natin, mga Juan de la Cruz. So, having said that, ayoko lumalim tong catch up ko. I just want to greet everyone na sana mas payapa kayo ngayon because for the parang ilang araw is ano eh, diba? Parang tag-ulan na dito sa South medyo meron pero hindi naman ganun kalakas pero still we felt na in different places and seeing the news talagang malakas. And talagang sana ma-solve na natin ito nang walang masyadong, alam mo, parang nasasaktan because siyempre marami ng galit, marami ng siyempre yung damdamin nagpupuyos na, no? Hindi na rin mapigilan pero still, we're known for the country na who solves things in the most peaceful way and naniniwala tayo sa power of prayer. So I think also I really had a good homily last time at the It's a Shrine. Talagang feeling ko talaga nag-church ako. Kasi hindi naman ako laging nagpupunta sa church because of so many things. Pero yun nga sabi ko sa sarili ko, siguro ito yung ano eh, ito yung talagang dapat na parang ginagawa natin. Whatever religion that we're in, we have to touch base sa faith natin. Kung sino man ang pinaniniwalaan natin na makaka-anchor tayo dun sa faith na yon and know how we can help, 'di ba? Our community, our country, yung people around us. Sana talaga, yun, mas maging ano tayo, mas maging connected. Yun, so thank you talaga dun sa French priest na sabi ng homily na what we're doing is just, it's right, and we're going to win this because God, nakikita niya naman na tama ay pinaglalaban natin. So, ayun, again, I don't want to be super serious about my catch up. Pero just, wanted to connect back. And I'm here in the Philippines again. I'll be leaving again in the following, siguro ewan ko kung ilang, kasi November, we're leaving, no? Before Christmas. So I hope some of you mag-attend sa mga workshops namin, branding series, ayan, if you want to elevate your brand, um, yung speaking stage, if you want to amplify your stories, and our freedom circles, just if you're a freedom seeker who just really want to have a safe space to tell your story, connect, and find a place where you can really share, 'di ba? Something na feeling nyo yung hinahanap ng heart nyo, then join us at the Freedom Circle. We will have deep conversations there, very light conversations and minglers that would somehow make our heart smile. So that's it. This is Coach Celia Jacob. Again, looking forward to the upcoming podcast. Grabe, palampas lang pala sa dami ng ginagawa, hindi na na-launch yung podcast. So, looking for also mga good stories that I can interview for the podcast. So send me a message if you want to amplify your story also online. And yeah, here's to a more peaceful um, weekend. Sana wala na masyadong ulan. Sana ma-solve na yung mga problema. And again, praying for good leaders, public servants to lead us para malampasan natin lahat ito. So, yeah. Yan lang. And tiptoe if you must, but take that step. There's no better way to start whatever you want to do. If it's a business, if it's like an app, if it's like an idea na worth na pwede nating i-share at gawin uh, to help our community, do it now. Tiptoe if you must, but take that step. Bye!